Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cape May Park. Ayan guys.
Two mockingbirds on that cross. That's pretty funny.
Let's go and walk. Parang siyang maze.
Holder on the railing. Holder on there.
Maze on the beach. Oh, this is a real sand.
On the other side.
I need water on my face.
Put water because there's enough water. There's a water down. We can refill it. So we'll put them on. We'll pour some water on.
Ay, oo nga.
There's this real sand, Ninong. Lavi and Eric. Oh, there's a drone there.
May ba yung sand? Di naman, di ba?
Hindi, Ninong.
Tama lang.
Let's walk on the sand and on the water.
Na-miss mo?
Yeah, I missed this one. Eric and Ate Sheila's in the back. We're walking at the beach right now.
Ay, dapat nila ko yung water shoes. Kung may water shoes ako.
Say hi, Ninong.
Hello. Oh, let me show my tummy smaller.
One pack up.
One pack. 1 to 5 packs.
I love my six pack. That's why I cover it with fats.
It's the beach at our back. Konti lang tao ngayon guys. Siguro dahil Lunes. Yeah. Nasa work ang mga tao. Here's the beach. Yeah, malamig ang ano guys. Malamig ang timoy ng hangin. Kahit nasa beach tayo. Yung pagkakaiba sa Pinas. Sa Pinas ano, mainit yung hangin. Dito hindi. Oh! Oh! Yes! The water! Yes! Malamig ng tubig guys. Malamig yung tubig. Woo! Malamig ng tubig. This is the Cape May Point view from seaside. Ayan guys, pabalik na kami.
Si Tita Hani nagpapabuhat sa kanya.
Balik na. Ayan, kapag napagod ka sightseeing sa dagat dito, stay dito. Malamig. Kita yung mga view. Ayan. This is the parking lot. Napakalawak.